Hey guys, this is Riz and you are watching Graphicity RC. So today we are going to create a simple but nice social media post design basically for Instagram. So before we get started, just hit the subscribe button and inspire me to make more videos for you. So before further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will create a new document of square size. I am taking a 1080 into 1080 and this is basically for Instagram. Now we will head to a model image I am going to use in this design. Now just take the lasso tool and start selecting the model roughly. Keep a little border line of the background in the selection. After this, select rectangular mark tool, right click on the model selection and then choose layer via copy. So this forms a new layer only with the area selected. Now just drag the model and take it to the square document. Here resize and place the model as required. Now take the rectangular shape tool, drag and create a rectangle behind the model. Pick the rectangle color from model's background, that is pink here, I think light pink. After this, double click on the model layer to open the blending options. Here select drop shadow. Now drag the shadow towards right of the model to look like one-sided borderline. Make the color a little darker of the background and hit OK. Now as I love doodling, I am taking the brush tool and doing a little bit of doodling on the model. This is totally optional. I am doing it only cause I love it. You can skip it anyway. Now we will start adding the text. I hope we all know how to add text in Photoshop, so I am not going into details. Just add the text as you want and which will look nicer. Now take the shape tool and create a circle. Duplicate this circle. Make its color darker from the previous one and drag towards the left. So we have made a patch for the percentage of cell text. Now simply add the percentage of text. After this, add the rest of the text as you want or just follow me. So do subscribe the channel for more videos and support me to create more amazing tutorials for you.